the Godly Giggle, where giggles and God go hand in hand. Let's meet a zebra bold and sweet, who learns to love with dancing feet. It's festival day on the sunny savannah. Drums go boom and the critters wear bandanas. Everyone's dressed in colors so bright, but Zippy the Zebra, he's black and white. I like my stripes, he said with pride. No paint for me, I'll just stay striped. He smiled and trotted down the trail, with shiny hooves and fluffy tail. But the monkey trio had other plans, swinging from trees with paint in cans. They giggled and dropped with a splat, splash, boom. Rainbow paint flew, oh no, kazoom. My beautiful stripes, cried Zippy in shock. He ran from the crowd and hid by a rock, behind a bush with a pouty frown. His rainbow-covered face looked down. Grandma Giraffe bent down real slow, with twinkling eyes and a gentle glow. She said with love,
"Oh, sweet Zippy dear,
forgiveness brings peace and wipes every tear. Even when it's hard, just try." Zippy took a breath and gave a sigh. He stood up tall and walked back out, ready to smile, not scream or shout. "I forgive you," he said with grace, to the monkeys with paint on every face. They held a bunch of bananas tight, a friendship gift, a cheerful sight. "We're sorry, Zippy," the monkeys cheered, and all the animals clapped and leered. Zippy beamed and spun around, rainbow stripes and joy all round. Zippy danced through the festival light, rainbow and proud, shining so bright. He learned a truth we all should know: forgiveness helps the heart to grow.
the Bible says, "Be kind and forgive, just like God, the way we live."
Ephesians 4 verse 32. That's God's love in all we do. If you like this story song today, tap subscribe and come back to play. We'll laugh, we'll learn, we'll grow in grace, right here at the Godly Giggle place.